So hi folks, I'm on the spot where we're gonna build a temporary kind of a tent hut with nylon, you know, with some plastic, because we need it to be in the shadows, and soon we're gonna finish it, about 2 weeks. We must finish that, but first today I came here, as I told you in my previous video. I have the document of the land of my father and my uncle, and I've chosen the spot is just right there. But now I'm gonna make 2, 3 pieces of wood. Not the best axe, you know. Not the best axe. I have also twine cord, and I need to make 3 pieces of wood to put on the ground to mark 2 of the borders on the bottom corner of the land. Okay, I guess it's tricky, you know. Good. It's a bit tricky. It's gonna be a long process of making my dream house, Eco Dream House and Eco Dream Workshop. The first piece is gonna be the workshop, which I want to finish until late autumn this 2025 year. Okay, first marker, and now I'm gonna make 2 more. I think I didn't choose the best board, you know. It has a lot of... That's gonna work. The rest is going to be for wood. Okay. I have the 3 markers now, and with my phone and with the GPS from Google Maps, I will put the 3 coordinates one by one, go on each of the coordinates on the spot, and put every marker, 3 markers, so I can find the 2 borders. Okay, let's go do this. It's over there, and now I'm gonna need my phone, so thank you for watching. You can see the first board. We used some twine also, see here, some twine and ancient technology kind of. Of course we also use nails, but we try to not use a lot of nails. Okay, I go to check these coordinates and I'm gonna update you later. Thanks for watching, folks. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share what you think about eco houses. And do you have a dream for an eco house?